You like that shepherd's pie, Reva? You like that shepherd's pie? Bless you. How big is Reva? So big.
Hey, sweetie, you want a drink?
Do you want a drink?
Do you want a drink? Yeah.
She said that it went over like what's that? Canceled her show, yeah.